today what we're going to look at is we're going to see if you can answer this essential question by the end of the period, and that is, how do we solve a two-step equation? And I have three goals for you. By the end of the period, it is my hope that you will be able to, for every two-step equation, identify the two operations that are present, identify the inverse operations that would be needed, and then to solve for the variable, showing me 7 lines of work. So that's what our goals are today, okay? But first, my cousin's birthday is coming up this weekend, and he's actually going into 7th grade, okay? And I thought, what better gift could I give a student going into 7th grade than a scientific calculator, okay? So I thought, if you don't mind, I'm not very good at wrapping gifts, so if you don't mind, I'd like to get a volunteer to wrap this gift for me. Erica, why don't you come on up? Okay, now what I'd like you to do is on the packet that you picked up when you came in, at the top on the left side, it says Official Operational Procedure for Wrapping a Gift. So in a moment, when Erica starts wrapping the gift, I want you to watch her carefully and just make bulleted notes about the order in which she did things. Okay? All right, Erica, go ahead. Wonderful. Erica, let's see how you did. Thank you so much. Let's see. Oh, very nice. Good edges. Thank you very much. All right, so here's the gift I can give my cousin this weekend. And do you think he'll like it? You think? Well, of course, maybe I better test it out and see how my gift will be received. So I need a volunteer who'd be willing to pretend to be my cousin so we can see how this gift would be received. Is there any volunteers that would like to pretend to be my cousin? Jack, you kind of look like him. Come on up here. I got your gift for your birthday.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you have any guesses as to what it might be? No?
I have no idea.
Okay. Now, class, would you please take notes on the order in which he is unwrapping the gift?
Calculator keeper. Calculator. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, so what do you notice about the official operational procedures for wrapping a gift versus the unwrapping that Zach just did for me? What do you notice about them, Bailey?
It's in reverse order.
Very good. It's in reverse order, or it is the inverse order. Okay, very good. Okay, let's relate this gift-giving experience to math. Just like there's an order for wrapping gifts and unwrapping gifts, there's an order for doing operations in math. And what are the order of operations? Can anybody remind me of those? There might even be an acronym that you memorized, or maybe a saying that helps you remember the order of operations. Becca?
Parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction.
Excellent. Does that look familiar to most of you? PEMDAS, right? Okay, so if that's the normal order of operations that we follow, what do you think the inverse order would be? James?
Subtraction, addition, division, multiplication, exponents, parentheses.
Right, it kind of goes backwards, right? So you might think of it as SADMEP, right? Opposite of PEMDAS, okay? Inverse order of operations. We used inverse operations actually a couple months ago when we looked at solving equations. And do you remember when we made our algebraic math mobiles? Okay? We used inverse operations when we solved for the variable. Can someone remind me what the requirements were for this project and also what we did with each line of algebra?